The first one, Your Excellency, is we wanted you to get out of the cockpit, because in the cockpit you hear the same voices. Vanana Ziambi, Minister Ziambi are the only ones that are always around you. So you end up hearing only their voices and no voices from the general populace. So for us today, we wanted you to hear the voices of others. We know that there are gatekeepers sometimes that make it difficult for us to access you and to put you to the people, but we just want to thank you for having come, and you are going to engage with the general populace. So that is the first thing we wanted to do. The second thing that we wanted to do, Excellency, is we wanted to prove to you that the issue around corruption cannot be dealt with by one group, by one person. So you will find that this is organized by 3 organizations: the legislative arm, our civic society who are representing your general populace, and the ZAC that we put into place to be able to deal with this. So we also wanted to say this is not about silo, it's about us working together. But I am glad, Your Excellency, that it has not been difficult to bring you here. I know people don't believe this. When we went to speak to the president and asked him to come, I've never seen such excitement when I explained to him that he's not going to give a speech, that he's just going to have a conversation. And you know, the president is the most difficult person in terms of a poker face. I hope people understand what a poker face is. You don't know whether he's happy or he's angry. And those of you that know him, that don't believe me, please go and Google on YouTube the 5th of November 2017. You will understand what I'm talking about. He can sit through an entire process and not show any form of emotion. So when you say something and you see some excitement, you know you have won a lottery. And I was happy as I was going through with him and told him that, you know, you don't have to do a speech, people will have to speak. Then I said, but you know, they may not speak the things that you want to hear. And he said, that's exactly what I want them to say. So I'm saying this to the panelists, please be as open and as frank as you are, because he is tired of people that tell him what he wants to hear. We want you to tell him exactly what is happening. Having said that, Your Excellency, I know we invited duty bearers here, and many of them had also asked that, are we going to say anything? And we said, no, you are not going to say anything. And it's very difficult to tell duty bearers, because unlike you, who do not mind, right now when he came in, he was asking, why this chair? Why am I sitting this way and not that way? He does not bother with protocol. He just wants things done. And I wish all of us would go to that stage, because it would make all our lives so much easier. But we just want to thank you that you are here and that we are going to have this conversation with you. We did get you a gift. I don't know where it is. And the gift is a clock, because we said our theme is taking stock of corruption. So we want you to look at the clock, because it will continuously remind you. It will be on your table, so you can see it. It even has a temperature, so you can see whether the temperature around corruption is going up or is going down. So that is going to be our gift. We are giving you this gift also because I already said it in the briefing. I've had a lot of representations in my other capacity, in my other hat, you know the hat I'm talking about, of people saying they really want to go on holiday, really seriously. It's Christmas. Can we ask you, Your Excellency, after this, when you get the clock, to go on holiday? It's okay, presidents have Christmas too. So please, can you also go for Christmas? Yes, Clep, you are the one who also asked me that. So, and then finally, I will go and sit down. There is a saying that we keep saying, that you don't hunt with other people's dogs. ZAC is in trouble, Your Excellency. It's in trouble because you put new people at the top and you maintained everything else at the bottom. If you are going to ask them to go and hunt, please allow them to look for their dogs so that they can hunt better. We don't know where you put those others, whether you put them at Public Service Commission, whether you pay them money so that they go. But surely, I think they deserve to be strengthened with new people that can run with this. But I just want to thank Your Excellency for coming today, and Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. And we should have a happy, happy holiday after this. We thank you, Your Excellency.